What Setmore is in one line. Setmore is online scheduling software with a public booking page, calendar, payments, reminders, and integrations. Zoom/Google Meet, Stripe, Square/PayPal/LawPay, etc. A. How to sign up 3 minutes. 1. Open the sign up page. See link to sign up in the description of this video. Go to Setmore's Start Free Sign Up and begin creating your booking calendar. See sign up link in the description of this video. 2. Create your account. Enter your details and follow the on-screen prompts to finish account creation. You'll land in your new dashboard. If prompted, confirm your email. 3. Add your business basics. In the app, go to Settings, your brand details to add your business name, logo, industry, and customize your booking page URL. Save. B. First time setup, what to do next. 1. Create services and classes. Go to Services Plus to add each service, name, duration, price, and location. Use service categories to group them. You can also create group classes. 2. Add your team and availability. Add staff in my team. Enable team logins and choose roles, admin/standard. Set working hours, breaks, and time off, so your booking page shows only real availability. 3. Tune your booking page rules. Head to Settings, Booking Page to set policies like lead time, slot size, scheduling window, cancellation rules, and options like advanced to first available. 4. Enable payments, optional but recommended. Connect Stripe, Square, PayPal, or LawPay to take deposits or full prepayments online and in person, including Tap to Pay/Square Terminal. Some options or use cases may depend on plan. 5. Add video meetings if you do virtual sessions. Connect Zoom or Google Meet so appointments automatically include a meeting link. 6. Sync a calendar, optional. Use Calendar Sync to link Setmore with Google/Outlook. One-way and two-way options vary by setup. C. Share your booking page. Start getting bookings. Copy your booking page link.